Hi guys. So basically, my friends have been doing some kind of crazy videos on YouTube, like challenges, like the cinnamon challenge, and this is a crazy one, like someone made up the cocoa challenge. And basically, I was texting one of those people, and they were like, "Oh, you should do one, yeah." And I was like, "What of?" And we kept on thinking of ideas, and then we finally thought of one quite disgusting, quite extreme um, video, like challenge. It's quite disgusting actually. I'm really nervous, but it doesn't matter. I mean, it's my first video, so it's going to be kind of disgusting. So basically, I'm going to let you see what I'm putting into this so it's true, it's legit. Okay? Basically, first I get, oh, I forgot something. Wait right there. I'm back. Basically, oh, I've got in this to mix up these horrible ingredients. So basically, first of all, I'm gonna get some ketchup. Now, you can already see this is going the bad way because it's disgusting already, right? And I'm gonna squirt lots in, bit more, and I'm gonna squirt this in. Well, not squirt, but pour. Oh, it's garlic and herbs, and it smells horrible. And some egg. Yes, it's raw, but I'll do anything for a laugh. This is gonna kill me, I'm not even joking. I gotta go put this in a bin because I'll kill. Actually, never mind. Okay. Oh my god. Imagine this substance, what it'll look like when the substance is mixed. Oh, this is disgusting. This is one of those things that you put into coffee when you want to mix it up and like make those little whipped kind of coffee up. And it's obvious that no one's actually going to use this again because this looks so disgusting. Oh, I can't believe I'm drinking this. I hope you're happy, guys. I mean, it was Claudette who made the idea. Well, I made the idea up, but she's the one who made me think of it. Okay, fine, it's my fault. Done. Oh, it smells terrible. That is just disgusting, don't you think? I mean, if I done this without even actually telling you what's in it, you'd be like, what the hell has she put in this? Like, WTF. Anyway, I have to pour it in here and I have to try and drink it. If I don't drink it, then I'm sorry, but I have to throw up. That's a lot. I didn't think it would be that much. God. Kill me already. Okay, I'm gonna get all the ingredients out of the way. Even the laptop a bit. And I'm gonna put this here because I know I'm gonna throw up. There's no doubt about it. Now, if you're gonna do something as messy as this, I would put your hair up. So this is why I put my bottle and I'm just gonna put it up. Yeah, it's messy, but I don't have a brush or a mirror, so it doesn't matter. Damn it. Now I might spit on the screen, I don't know. But if I do, I'm just joking. Now, I have to drink this. I can't believe me. I just went to Pizza Hut. I know I'm okay. I went to Pizza Hut and I had quite a big meal and I had a really nice dessert. And I don't think that dessert's gonna stay in my body for long. No, because it's just gonna be like up again. So I can't believe I am doing this. But if this is what it takes to have a really good laugh with your friends, go on. Okay, that was just the taster, to see what it tastes like. And yes, it is disgusting. But I'm going to try and swallow it this time. So my lunch really does come out. So yeah. All for you guys. Sorry. The taste is still in my mouth, it's really tiny. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I done it! Oh my god, that is horrible. I only drank about that much and I spat up about that much. So sorry, I'm not gonna do it. No. I'm such a strong person for doing this. I actually am. You can try it by yourself and you can see how strong I am to have swallowed this messed up drink. Oh, and by the way, if you don't know what this is, I've called it the everything but the kitchen sink stinky drink. Because it's stinky and it's a drink. It's not much of a drink because it's just a horrible beverage, but you know. So, do you think I should drink some more? Maybe, yeah, I'll do it. I'm gonna get some water, so when I spit it out, which I probably will, I can drink the water to get this horrible taste out my mouth. Wait 1 second, you guys. There we go. Here's my water. Right now, I'm very thankful for having a tap and a cup. You better be thankful as well for me doing this, okay? I didn't do this for myself. I've done this for the people. So, I can't believe I'm doing this again. It's just terrible. It tastes so bad. Okay, I've got to like calm, meditate. There. Okay. I'm not gonna live after this, I promise you. I'm sorry. I couldn't do it at home. See how messed up this drink makes you? I just spat out my own water. The only thing that can actually get this horrible taste out of my mouth. And so, well, you can't blame the drink. Come on, I am messed up. I have to finish this, don't I? Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry guys, but I had to do that. Sorry, that taste was in the water. So I had to spit the water out. Okay. I'm not doing this, okay? I've done it like 3 times, 4, 5 times for you now. I think I've gone through enough, so let me just finish my water. Oh my god. to see what I've just messed up. Okay, so yeah, I done it. I can't believe I did. Oh my god. I don't feel sick, but I kind of feel disgusted, as if I can't believe I just done that. I mean, boiled egg and ketchup. What was I thinking? Yeah. Well, I was hungry at the time. So yeah, so I'm gonna do another video in a bit. Well, yeah. Because I promised a friend that I'd do 10 things about me, and then she did it. So yeah, so it isn't the last time you'll see me. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my first video. Yes, thanks to my beautiful friends Noah, Lola, and Claudette for kind of inspiring me. So yeah, love you guys, and please subscribe at the bottom somewhere. I don't know, but it says subscribe somewhere. And please like me, and leave a comment for what for me to do after I do the 10 things about me. So see you later, guys. Love ya.